Hey guys, it's Mr. Washahi again, and this video is we're going to talk about improper fractions. I want you to look at the cartoon I have here because I want you to think about what you see and how it might relate to improper fractions. So take a close look, see what's happening. If you notice here, let's say this is little brother and that's big brother. So big brother is holding up little brother, and he could do that because he's bigger, he's stronger, and it's really no big issue. But then let's reverse it. That means little brother's holding up big brother, or the smaller kid is holding up the bigger kid. Well, they don't look too happy because that looks pretty hard and it's actually kind of dangerous. So that's a way of remembering what an improper fraction is. It's just not proper. So because little brother's going to be hurting himself, so that's why we would consider improper when the top number or the numerator is greater than the denominator. So let's go ahead and write down the definition for improper fraction. Okay, and that's just a fraction in which the numerator, or that's the top number, or the part is greater than the denominator. Okay, key term greater. So in this case, if I wrote this as a fraction, it'll be 8 over 3. My numerator is greater. Another example, 12 over 5. And that's a perfectly fine number. It's just called an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. Let me visualize this for you. Okay, let's say I've got three squares cut into 4 pieces. Okay, but let's say I'm going to shade in, so that's one hole, but I'm only going to shade in 3 of these. Well, I had a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces, but they're divided into 4. That means 4. I got that 4 by dividing each one of these boxes into 4. And that's just how you would visualize an improper fraction. So I had a total of 11 parts, and 4 was my original whole. Okay? And in a moment I'm going to show you how to convert that back to a mixed number. Alright, so again, an improper fraction is when the numerator is greater than the denominator. Well, let me show you how to convert that to a mixed number. A mixed number, as you're going to see in another video, is when you have a whole number along with a fraction. So let's use this image right here. Okay, I have a hole right there, so that's 1. Another hole right here, that's another one. But here I only got 3, 1, 2, 3 of the holes, so 3/4. So this will be 1 plus 1 plus 3/4. So that's 2 and 3/4. However, you're not always going to be able to visualize it like that. So the easiest way to convert this improper fraction to a mixed number is, you just got to remember the rhyme. To convert an improper fraction, division is the action. So we'll go back to our 11/4. Well, I'm going to divide. Remember, numerator goes on the inside, denominator on the outside. Now let's count. 4 can go into 11 2 times, but it can't go in 3 because it'll be over. So 4 can go in there twice. So 2 times 4 is 8. I'm going to subtract. So this will be my whole number. This will be my numerator. And this will be my denominator. So it's 2 and 3/4. The denominator stays the same. Okay, so we had 2 wholes and 3/4. Let's do another example. Let's say I had 13/12. Well, I know that 12 goes into 13 one time. My remainder will be 1 12th. So these two are equivalent. I've got the improper fraction version and the mixed number version. So just remember, to convert an improper fraction, division is the action. Okay, and then the top number, your numerator, goes on the inside. Your denominator will be on the outside. Top divided by bottom. Alright guys, so go ahead and work on your practice sheet, converting improper fractions, and then in a moment you'll also be watching the one on mixed numbers. So we reverse it back. Good luck.